They say that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But what if you decided to add lemons to your daily diet? Most of us only eat lemons from time to time, and only in small doses, for example, drinking water with a slice of lemon added for flavor. But if you're willing to eat an entire lemon every day, you'll experience some major benefits that ensure you'll never look at this sour food the same way ever again. What surprising things will happen to your body when you start eating lemons every day? Keep watching this video to find out. 1. Better digestion. Some tips only require eating the juicy insides of lemons, but eating the skin can significantly boost your digestion. Why? The skin is a powerful source of fiber and promotes healthy gut bacteria. Coupled with citric acid, eating a lemon daily can help regulate bowel movements. It may not be a polite dinner conversation, but who couldn't use a natural digestive boost? 2. Lose weight. Aside from worrying about our breath, many of us wish to lose a few pounds. Instead of trying a dangerous fad diet, consider lemons. Lemons are full of pectin, which helps you feel fuller longer, reducing late-night snack runs. Additionally, their antioxidant-rich polyphenols can help prevent weight gain and fat accumulation, as seen in lab studies. These polyphenols also improve blood sugar and insulin levels, highlighting lemons' health benefits. 3. Lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is something all of us have to worry about, especially as we get older. Over time, high pressure can lead to stroke, heart attack, or even kidney failure. And while it's important to consult with your doctor over blood pressure concerns, you should know that eating lemons can help you naturally improve your blood pressure. According to previous studies, eating as little as half a lemon a day, along with getting in at least 7,000 steps, can help to lower blood pressure. And those extra steps can help you lose weight, too, which is always a nice bonus. 4. Youthful appearance. Everyone wishes they could look a bit younger at some point. Many spend on exotic creams and surgeries, but lemons offer a natural alternative. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce wrinkles and keep skin hydrated. One lemon provides half your daily vitamin C, making it a tasty way to get essential nutrients. While not a fountain of youth, lemons can help you look a few years younger. 5. Keep kidney stones. Here are the two words that can make almost anyone wince in pain: kidney stones. Despite all of our medical advances over the years, trying to pass a stone remains one of the most painful experiences you may face in this world. It really is that bad. But if you regularly eat lemons, the citrate inside of them can help keep these stones from forming in the first place. And if you already have kidney stones growing inside your body, this citrate will help to keep the stones from getting any bigger, which makes passing them far less painful than it would have been without the lemons.